this video, I'm going to share with you how I make my rice water and onion juice for maximum hair growth. Add half a cup of uncooked rice to a glass jar. Add 2 cups of water. Rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that helps strengthen elasticity and reduce surface friction. Put it in a dark, cool place for 12 to 24 hours. I already fermented some rice water about 24 hours ago, so all I'm going to do is just shake it up and strain it, and it's ready to go. Rice water improves hair growth, reduces split ends, protects hair from damage, and strengthens the hair roots and smoothens hair. Use a nut bag or cheesecloth to strain the rice water mixture. I got my nut bag from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. Yay, rice water! Okay, now we're going to transition to making the onion juice, but I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to blend the onion juice along with the strained rice water. Add 1 medium yellow onion, or you can use 1 medium red onion. Add the 2 cups of rice water. And blend. Onions are high in dietary sulfur, a nutritional element our bodies need. Sulfur is found within amino acids, which are components of protein. Proteins, and especially keratin, which is known to be sulfur-rich, are needed for growing strong hair. Alopecia treatment, inflamed, dry, or itchy scalp, hair loss, dandruff, thinning hair, dry or brittle hair, prematurely graying hair, and scalp infection. So imagine the powerful benefits when you combine rice water and onion juice. Now I'm going to strain my onion and rice water mixture. Add 20 to 25 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is antibacterial and is a growth stimulant for hair. Now pour in a spray bottle. When you spray the onion and rice water mixture on your hair, cover with a plastic shower cap or a plastic bag for 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can use this onion mixture at least once a week or 2 times a month. Store mixture in the fridge. Discard after 14 days. And there you have it, your easy onion and rice water mixture. Thanks for watching. Bye.